Good morning, everyone. Welcome to monthly news bulletin of St. Joseph Academy News, where we bring you latest updates, achievements, and important happenings from around our school campus.
I am Stuti Shukla.
And I am Shrishti Mishra. Over the next few minutes, we will bring you the highlights from our school activities, students' achievements, special events, and important announcements.
Let's begin today's bulletin.
Let us begin with the weather report.
The weather has been slightly changing with warm temperatures during the day.
For more details, let's go to the reporter in the field. Over to you.
Thank you. I am standing here at St. Joseph Academy ground where we are experiencing noticeable changes in the weather. With the temperature rising, the days are becoming warmer. However, there have been occasional rainfall causing slightly fluctuations in the weather. Students are advised to stay hydrated, wear light clothing and carry water bottles to school. They should also avoid direct sunlight during peak afternoon hours.
Thank you for that update, Sakshi. An important update for all the students.
The school reopened on 19th of March after the break. The students returned with great enthusiasm to continue their academic journey.
The day was made even more special as the school celebrated the feast of Father Joseph Chittu Parampil, our manager, and Father Jose Muntaden.
The school also celebrated the birthday of Father Jijo Joseph, our media director, making the occasion joyful for everyone.
The 19th of March is also celebrated as St. Joseph's feast. St. Joseph is known as a humble and devoted figure, a symbol of faith, responsibility, and care.
On this occasion, our school also celebrated St. Joseph Feast Day with great respect and devotion. The board examination of class 10th and 12th students recently got concluded after months of hard work and preparation.
To reflect on this year's exams, some of our teachers shared their valuable insights and experiences.
Let us hear what they had to say.
Hello everyone, my name is Shweta Billa. I am a chemistry teacher in St. Joseph Academy. I want to share my views on the ISC Chemistry Paper 2026. The difficulty level of this paper was similar to previous year. It had fewer direct questions, but more conceptual one. It was largely analytical, testing understanding rather than memorization.
My name is Sonam Singh, working as a teacher in St. Joseph's Academy, Ghaziabad. For 2026 ICSE Biology paper, I feel that it was more easier than the previous years. It has a balanced mix of direct and application-based questions. Half of the paper was easy, some questions were moderate and some were difficult. Section B had a diagram-based and conceptual understanding questions. Overall, the paper was found to be easy.
Myself, Raji Sandosh. I am teaching physics in St. Joseph Academy. ISC 2025-26 physics paper was quite easy compared to previous years. 25% application-based questions were there, but still children were able to solve it. It was really a student-friendly paper.
The students of class 10th and 12th have recently completed their board examination after months of preparation.
Let's see what the students had to say.
My name is Rishika Sharma from class 10th. I study in St. Joseph's Academy. If I talk about my maths exam, it went quite well. For preparation, I studied from PYQs and practice question banks. The paper pattern was thus quite predictable and I think I can score 75 plus.
Hi, I'm Akshaf from class 10th, St. Joseph's Academy. It was my computer exam today for which I prepared very well. And although the exam was as easy as expected, and I am expecting 100 on 100 in computers.
Good morning, I'm Rashi Singh from class 10th B, studying in St. Joseph Academy. If I talk about my board's English examination, it was quite well as it consisted of more conceptual questions and a better basic understanding. I prepared it from my school textbooks and solved some previous year question papers. I'm expecting good marks.
My name is Vartika Bharadwaj from class 10th E. I am from St. Joseph Academy. The history exam was quite easy than the last year. The difficulty level was from easy to moderate. I did not solve any past year question paper on any sample paper, but still I expect more than 75.
The school recently organized a heartfelt farewell to Meenakshi Beri ma'am on account of her 29 years of dedicated service to the institution.
She was felicitated by the school's management and staff in recognition of her invaluable contribution.
The event became even more special as her entire family was present, making it a truly memorable moment.
During the ceremony, Meenakshi ma'am also shared a few heartfelt words reflecting on her own journey.
It is not easy to say goodbye. This school has not just been my workplace, it has been my second home, where I have grown, learned, and shared countless memories with all of you.
Her son also expressed his gratitude on this special occasion.
Thank you all for being such a good family to my mother. Coming to end, Mom, it has been a great journey. You're stepping into a new day. I hope you enjoy it to the fullest. Live the time you were not able to. You were busy and you were doing your duties, but now it's time for you. I wish you all the best for the journey ahead. Thank you.
Behind every clean and well-maintained campus, there's a team of dedicated and hard-working staff.
Our helping staff ensures that the school environment remains neat and safe for everyone.
We sincerely thank them for their dedication and hard work.
Did you know that our school also has a dedicated media studio?
The studios plays an important role in covering various school activities, programs and events throughout the year.
The studio actively engages students who are interested in the field of media and communication, giving them a platform to explore their talents.
The studio functions under the guidance of our media director, Father Gidio Joseph.
Students get hand-on experiences in areas such as editing, video shooting, audio recording, and reporting.
The studio not only helps develop practical skills but also builds confidence and encourages creativity.
It continues to inspire and involve more number of students who are interested in the field of media. The school also conducted its annual report card day beginning from classes nursery onwards.
It was a great opportunity for parents to understand their child's progress and to interact with teachers.
Let's see what the parents had to say.
Hello everyone, this is Neha Bansal. I'm mother of Nihar Bansal who has topped his class this year. And every year he is achieving a lot from this St. Joseph Academy. The teachers are very supportive, they guide all through them. They have admired him, they have appreciated them, and they are like mothers to him in this school. And I'm really proud that I have admitted him this. I've chosen this school for my son.
With the aim of promoting sportsmanship and effective coordination, Sports Meet Planning Meeting was organized at St. Joseph's Academy.
The meeting focused on the systematic distribution of games across various participating schools depending upon their available facilities and strength.
Each school was assigned with specific tasks to ensure smooth organization and maximum participation.
Teachers also shared their valuable insights and experiences on the importance of proper planning and equal opportunities in the field of games and sports. That brings us to the end of this month's news bulletin.
Thank you for watching. We will be back next month with more updates and stories from around the school. Until then, stay safe and keep learning.